ready to breathe new life into your existing Squarespace website without the headache of starting over. Let's dive in. First, the foundation: understand your goals before touching anything. Ask yourself, what do I want visitors to do on my site now? Is it to book services, buy products, or learn more? And what's the overall feeling I want to evoke? This clarity will guide every decision. Next, audit your content. Go through your current pages. Are your photos high quality and reflective of your brand? Is your text concise and engaging? Identify what's working, what's outdated, and what needs a complete refresh. Now, it's time for the visual overhaul. Navigate to your Squarespace dashboard and go to Design. Site Styles. This is where the magic happens. You can start by updating your fonts. Experiment with different pairings to find something that looks modern and aligns with your brand personality. Then, focus on colors. Introduce a fresh color palette that pops and reinforces your brand identity. Don't forget about spacing and borders. A circumflex euros. Subtle tweaks here can make a huge difference. For layout updates, you'll want to head into your individual page editors. Think about your most important pages, like your home page and services page. Use the drag and drop functionality to reorganize content blocks. You can add new sections, remove those that are no longer serving you, and adjust the flow of information. Consider using different section layouts that Squarespace offers to create visual interest. Crucially, prioritize mobile responsiveness as you make changes. Constantly check how your site looks on different devices. Squarespace's editor makes this easy with its mobile preview. Ensure everything is aligned. Text is readable, and buttons are easily tappable on smaller screens. A seamless mobile experience is non-negotiable. Finally, refresh your visuals. Upload new, high-quality images and videos that truly represent your brand. Today, consistent and professional imagery is key to a modern website. Replace any old or pixelated graphics with crisp, compelling visuals. By strategically updating layouts, styles, and content within your existing Squarespace site, you can achieve a stunning, modern look that boosts engagement. Give your online presence the makeover it deserves.